Yes, now we are doing closest match. Now for closest match, all we are trying to do is that we are trying to find, let's say, values close to it. And here we will look at two different what tables now. Now, here's the thing. In this particular table, we want to find the numbers. Number of files, right? Great. Then we will look, now we can look in this table. In this table, it tells us that what? In the location ID, from how you call it, 0 to 100 or 0 to 99, we recorded what? 5 fires in that particular location, yeah? And then from the 100 to 200, we had 10 fires and so on and so forth, right? I believe you all get a picture here. Great, great. And so if you want to, have this transfer of information into a new data or into a particular, cell, so you can actually derive information from, we can also apply what VLOOKUP. Just that we'll just make a little tweaks to the what to the range lookup. So let's just jump straight into it. We open our what insert function again. No, first let's insert or let's select the cell where we want the function to go to, which is what D1. Select the insert and the insert, how do you call it, function. Then we already have VLOOKUP selected, so you click on what OK. So now first box, what value are we looking at? Now pay attention here. What value are we looking at now? We're looking at what? The location ID. Don't forget. Because we want to find the fires in that particular ID. And we said that what? The location ID should always be the leftmost what? Should always be the what? The leftmost column, right? Great. We're looking at what? The location ID. So select what? Location ID. Then for the table array. Now what? This particular or or this particular, how do you call it, table that we are looking into is what? It's this very one, right? And so we will what? We would select this entire table because it holds the information that we actually were looking for, right? Great. And for the column index, we already know, right? What value do we want to what output? What value do we actually want? And then that value you want in what table inside the table array or in what column inside the table array is that information located. And if you look into our table array, you can see that what's located in what? Column 2, right? I believe you can all see, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to place in what? Sorry for that. Let me correct the table. Great. Now let's move on to this. Now we want what? Column 2 because, or the column number 2 because what? It has what? The files, yeah? It has the files. So click on 2. And then already you can see, right? It's telling us what? We're going to get what? 5 files. If we click on what? 2, because it says that what? If we look into our, our table here, 0 falls within a range of what? 0 to 99, right? Exactly. And that's why we already have 5 files. Now, don't forget, for our range lookup, when you read this particular part, it says that what? When you are doing a closest match, you can either choose not to what? Write a logical expression, which is what? True or false. Or you can just, add it. So if you want a closest match, we insert true. When you want an exact match, we insert what? False, just like in the previous example. So how do we do this? We can decide to leave like that or type true, right? Right, then click on what? Enter. And you realize that what? It automatically fills up all the what? The cells in this particular column. I believe you understand. So for instance, let me change this particular one or this particular location ID to let's say 225. What did we get? We had what 20. In here we realized that what from 200 to 300. It's more good as what closest match. You get it right? Exactly. Hence why we receive what 20 what fires. I believe you understand. Good. Now we move on to the next one.